What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. I apologize for not getting a video out yesterday until the afternoon. I just didn't have internet. I lost internet, as I said yesterday here, and I have horrible upload speed at my apartment with my phone. So I was out on a journey trying to find places to A, get work done, and B, upload a video, and it wasn't able to get done until later in the afternoon. Hopefully by the time you're seeing this, though, it won't be too late, as I'll be running around to different coffee shops trying to find some internet and some Wi-Fi here, and hopefully I do, because I think it's important to get these videos out here. But we made a video yesterday talking about how we are due for some runs. We're due for some pumps. Over the weekend, we discussed clear as day. Oops, let me go to videos. We discussed clear as day that we're starting to see some runs take place. About 2 to 3 days ago here, you can see insane discovery for XRP that we would most likely see runs to the upside in the very near future. And also you can see just 2 days ago here, the end of this ascending fractal would hopefully see some big volume movements, and we confirmed yesterday that the breakout is real and it is happening because we started to, head outside our beautiful bull flag, pennant flag, whatever you want to call it here. I think it's a bull flag, with the way these market movements are. Bull flag, let's see. No, so it was a pennant flag. Because this is what a bull flag looks like here. I do have internet now because I'm using a hotspot on my phone. I can just barely get a signal to do that, but uploading is no shot. But you can see we are starting to see some runs to the upside, which is very exciting here. And across the board in today's episode, we do need to talk about everything that's going on with a lot of these cryptos. Hopefully, yeah, wow, it even loaded on here. You can see, where is this? XRP on the 4 hour. We managed to rally up just a little bit the past couple of days. Just yesterday, we tried to, and we got clearly rejected. This is like the one crypto, just XRP, where I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a dump. It's exponentially harder for XRP to rally up because typically how we enter these ascending fractals is how we exit. We entered it falling, so there's a good chance we're going to exit it falling. Very high chance that is actually going to happen here. You can see we tried. We had a major uptrend as a resistance. We had a price ceiling. We have moving average. I mean, 3 points of just constant resistance, not to mention we were nearing overbought. So it was screaming correction to take place here. So there's going to be a lot to go over in today's video, though. But before we do, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, is now offering new users to earn up to 8,100 USDT. You heard me right. That is insane. There's lots of different ways to earn that. Obviously, for those big fish out there, the big whales can earn, probably the entire amount here. But the link is in the description where you can earn tons of different promos. They changed it up compared to yesterday here, but you can scroll all the way to the bottom of my link. You'll be able to find this. Tons of different ways to earn free cryptocurrency. You might as well take advantage of it before it disappears. Like I said, FREE, free. So definitely make sure to do so. But moving forward from this, we'll talk about BYDFI later on in today's episode here. You can see there is a bit of resistance that, what is this? XRP is hitting right now, and that's why I suspect that we are probably going to see correction take place. Like, we're probably going to see a sell-off and a drop to the downside because of the position that we're in, more than likely a dip to the downside. And we're coming near the end very soon, and it could result in that correction. Also jump to the daily charts here, and you can see where we're hitting a big resistance on that moving average as well. This could also yield a dip to the downside. Now, we do have a very solid uptrend, a very solid support level at that, but we still might get overpowered by the bears and cause a correction to take place. It's really up in the air at this point here, and we're only going to know later on in the episode where we could actually... later on in the week where we're actually going to be moving to. But there are lots of the cryptos that are seeing some nice ascending movements so far. I mean, just last week we were in the 30 area on the Fear and Greed Index. 36, we were in fear. Now we're trading at 56. We've shot up. And the reason is, check this out. Lots of these cryptos are starting to ascend higher, which is definitely awesome. Up 3.5% today across the board. And a lot of these cryptos for the week are up 7%. Some are even up double digits, which is excellent as well here. But aside from XRP, you know, seeing this move in here, look at these other cryptos. You can even see now Solana is starting to see its run to the upside here. We've been tracking Solana for a long time now, and we knew that there was a major kind of symmetrical triangle forming. Like you can clearly see the flag pull up, and then here we have higher lows, lower highs, just filling this gap in beautifully. And we're looking for the end of a correction. And recently we noticed this uptrend here that was pushing the price up. And we said, okay, maybe this is a resistance, or maybe this one could be. And you can see we just confirmed closure yesterday above that here. So this could inevitably leave us to start to rally out. We haven't confirmed closure above that ever before. So this could be big news. This could really start to see some ascent being moved within Solana, which is definitely very exciting if you ask me here. We could really start to see that run, and it's not just Solana. All the cryptocurrencies are starting to see volume. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the S&P 500. Check it out. I didn't want to show you this. Check it out on BYDFI here. We've been tracking the XRP kind of 4-hour chart right here where we expect to see that rally. You can see we're hitting a bit of resistance. I mean, if we can manage to break through this, you know, the 99-day moving average, we could easily see a rally to the upside. But with everything riding on it, there is a big possibility of correction. Regardless, though, we can take advantage of it on BYDFI. Not only can you earn tons, thousands in free bonus money here, but you can also use their Welcome Rewards account and their demo trading account. And by that, I mean you can literally receive on top of that bonus money there. Ooh, they actually completely changed their benefits here. Wow, that's actually, they completely changed the page. So you can now earn, check it out, this page 2, new user benefits, up to $8,100. This is completely new, completely renovated, very cool. Tons of money, tons of different cryptos, by how much you deposit, by what you trade, so on and so forth. So make sure to check this out. But on top of that here, they even have a demo trading account, 50 grand in demo money to test your skills out, get familiar with the exchange, learn how to trade, then head on over to the live trading account, and you can use that bonus money. You can see if I go to USDTM, click on bonus wallet, I have 133 available just from doing some of those bonuses myself, and I can leverage this up to $2,500 and trade around with that completely free, which is also epic here. So make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. But moving forward from XRP, from Solana, looking at these other cryptos, look, another major descending fractal yet again taking place. You can see the major downtrend here. Beautiful. There was one right here. I'll leave this in. I want to draw this in too. Change that to yellow, but you can see how this works. So we have a beautiful descending fractal. This one formed, we exploded to the upside here. Now we've uncovered kind of an even bigger one almost. Maybe accurate. I'm not entirely sure. It could be something like this. I don't know if we can truly grasp that. I could leave it like that. It's really too difficult to tell. All I know is we bottomed off at one point here and we started to trend out, and here we are breaking through it for the first time in a very long time since early July. Have we been able to do this again? It's now mid-October and we're finally starting to reach out of that. Lots of resistance on moving average, but if we can get above moving average here on Ethereum, we could easily rally up. Same thing with Bitcoin here. Beautiful. You can see pennant flag formation here. We just recently broke out of it. That's now starting the wave to the upside here. So that's exciting news. And the stock market rallied even higher as of yesterday. But we did unveil and uncover some sort of blue resistance, like top 1, 2, almost 3. Here's number 4. So more than likely, we're probably not going to go higher. We can, but more than likely, probably not. And what we're going to see is probably a correction back down somewhere here and then just continue that pattern up, kind of like how we've been doing since literally, we can go back to December of 2023, and pretty much all of 2024 has been in some sort of newish ascending fractal. Even clearer on the weekly charts here, you can see we've been in this trend for a long time, and we really don't have a lot of luck breaking through it. I'll scale this up just a hair, but you can see kind of how this pans out on the weekly charts here. So, but overall, we look good, but we might see a bit of correction on the stock market, to say the least. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.